Hey traders, TG Watkins here, and let's see, I'm recording this December 5th, Monday morning, actually, when I'm doing this, and part of the reason was I wanted to see how things shaped up from the weekend. There was a lot of work I needed to do to kind of assess the markets and see what's going on. Now, I know there's a lot of bearishness out there, just in general. Yeah, we got a lot of headwinds for the market, and we know that the Federal Reserve is still going to be raising interest rates. They're still going to be, hawkish, that kind of thing. And we are here at a resistance level that has worked out pretty darn well. Plus, we're also at the daily 200. Okay, so we got a lot of things that are indicating that the market might roll over, that this might be it. However, we did also see that how the market reacted to Jerome Powell saying we're going to probably start slowing the rate of interest rate hikes starting at the December FOMC meeting. And the market went vertical on that. So what I want to show you is a couple monthly timeframes, monthly charts. The one thing that I've been looking at is something along these lines. What I want to show you guys and talk to this about to the Moxie group a lot about this, but this is the monthly chart going back like 1961, 1984. And notice that every time that price was able to get up and over the monthly 10 SMA and hold it, it was a bullish market. Now, I don't know how long this is going to last. Some of these lasted longer than others. Some of them were choppy, like whatever. But assuming that the S&P can stay over its monthly 10, now that we're in the month of December, so we won't know for a month, we'll have to kind of look at the lower time frames to confirm this. But if price can stay over the monthly 10, like it's doing right here, then we have to conclude that the market is bullish. That has been my line in the sand since this whole thing started, because you can see here price got through the monthly 10, then got rejected by the monthly 10, but now we're over it. And I just have to look at that and say, as long as that continues, then that is the direction that we're going to be going. Look around, the Dow is over the monthly 10, the IWM is starting to cross over, the NASDAQ is slow, but it needs to catch up, and I think that's kind of where we're going, is we need to be watching for these things to start finding support at the monthly 10. Now, if it can't, if this was simply just a poke over the monthly 10 and we go back down, well, then the bullish side is off. But this is kind of what I'm looking at. Every time the price has gotten over the monthly 10 and held, it turns into a bull market. So let's watch for that. Also, seasonally, the market is very bullish going into December. It does look like we're trying to get a rally going. And then I'll just kind of show you guys, if you look at some cannabis names, we have been seeing a lot of energy and activity show up in a lot of these beat up names. So look at cannabis, look at some of the names that really got beat up this year, and what are we noticing? They are still, even today, this morning, they are alive, and they are starting to cross over their monthly 10s. So I'm seeing stuff like that. Even, HIMS is another one. Like, look at this. We're starting to see that these names are wanting to get back over their monthly 10. And I even think, let's see, is LabU? I don't think LabU is quite there, but LabU, as far as the biotech space, has been basing for quite some time. You got a nice double bottom here, and it looks to me like the next step is for it to cross over its monthly 10. So if we start seeing stuff like this, we need to pay attention to it, and it looks fairly bullish. The other thing I wanted to show you, if you look at the SOXX, which are the semiconductors, not only has, watch this, look how well this has been following this channel down for months. It did come down to its monthly 50. Apparently, that is going to be the support that it's looking for, and now it is breaking over this trend line, okay, out of this channel. So that is something I'm looking at. And again, if we can see over maybe December, if December can close over the monthly 10, then that also indicates that we might be going bullish. So watch these higher time frames and see what's going on. It seems to me like we're starting to see some activity, which is a big change from what I was looking at before. I was looking at just bounces in a downtrend, but the market seems to have strongly responded to Jerome Powell and the slowing of interest rate hikes. All right, guys, we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.